Hey guys, my sister just got a squishy. So she already opened it, but I'm just gonna show it to you guys. So let me go get it. A squishy is a thing that you can squish all day, and it's really squishy. It's in this package. Let me just get it out of there. Okay, here's a squishy. Just gonna get it out of this package. I can't.
Go.
No, I need all. So this is a squishy. Oh my god. It's a panda. And it's a piece of butter. It looked really big in the picture. Now it's really small. I don't know how it got really small. Hang on. So I put this hanger on, and you're gonna hang it right on your door, so you can show everyone. And there's a type of squishies, like lots of squishies, and my sister got a red panda one. So yeah. I just love squishing it all day. That's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. Bye guys! Soft and super squishy. Ah!